Join me as I try to figure out how to use Elon Musk's AI time machine to rewind time and change a moment from my past. Imagine being able to travel back in time, to relive a moment, to change the course of history. The concept of a time machine has fascinated humans for centuries, but what if we took it to the next level and paired it with the most advanced artificial intelligence of our time? That's exactly what we're exploring today, the idea of Elon Musk's AI time machine and its implications for humanity and technology. When we start to consider using AI to alter or rewind time, we open ourselves up to a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas and potential risks. For instance, if we were to go back in time and change something, even something seemingly minor, it could have a catastrophic butterfly effect on the present and future. Not to mention, who gets to decide what changes are made, and how do we ensure that those decisions are made with the greater good in mind? Furthermore, there's the possibility of creating multiple timelines or parallel universes, each with their own version of reality. It's a mind-boggling concept that raises more questions than answers. If we were to create multiple timelines, which one would be the true reality, and how would we even begin to navigate that complexity? We'd also have to consider the potential risks of AI taking control of the time machine, making decisions that might be catastrophic for humanity. We're already seeing the rise of autonomous machines in various industries, but giving AI the power to alter time itself is a game changer. It's a responsibility that we're not sure we're ready for. Not to mention, there's the issue of accountability. If we were to alter the timeline, who would be held responsible for the consequences? Would it be the person who made the change, the AI system that carried out the action, or would we as a society be responsible for allowing this technology to exist in the first place? The technology behind the AI time machine is still largely theoretical, but it's rooted in the advancements we're seeing in the field of artificial intelligence. From natural language processing to image recognition, AI is becoming increasingly sophisticated, and it's not hard to imagine a future where we have an AI system capable of understanding and manipulating time itself. One of the key components of the AI time machine would be its ability to learn from vast amounts of data, including historical events and timelines. This would allow the AI to identify significant moments in time that could be altered or rewritten. We're already seeing AI systems that can analyze vast amounts of data in fields like medicine and finance, so it's not a huge leap to imagine an AI system that could analyze the entirety of human history. In terms of significant moments, there are a few that come to mind. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand, the first shot fired in World War I, the Chernobyl nuclear disaster, these are all moments that had a profound impact on the course of human history. If we were to go back in time and alter one of these events, the consequences would be far-reaching and unpredictable. Let's take, for instance, the Chernobyl nuclear disaster. If we were to go back in time and prevent the accident from happening, we might create a timeline where the environmental and human cost of the disaster never occurred. But we'd also have to consider the potential consequences of not having learned from that mistake, potentially leading to even greater disasters in the future. Let's imagine a hypothetical scenario where we do create an AI time machine, and we use it to prevent the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. Without the spark of World War I, the 20th century might have played out very differently. We might not have seen the rise of fascist regimes, or the devastation of World War II. But we'd also have to consider the potential consequences of altering the timeline in such a significant way. Would we be creating a utopian society, or would we be unleashing a new set of problems and challenges? It's impossible to say for certain, but it's an intriguing thought experiment that raises important questions about the nature of time and human existence. As we explore the fascinating possibilities and dangers of an AI time machine, it's clear that there's a fine line to walk between progress and responsibility. With great power comes great responsibility, and it's up to us as a society to ensure that we're using technology to make the world a better place, not to create a dystopian nightmare. What do you think about the possibilities of AI and time travel? Do you think we should pursue the development of an AI time machine, or do you think it's a recipe for disaster? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more intriguing tech discussions.